Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu reports, a man came to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and submitted one had sexual intercourse with one's wife while observing fast. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam asked, "Do you have a slave to set free?" He said, "No." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Can you observe fast for 2 consecutive months?" He submitted, "No." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Can you feed 60 destitute persons?" He submitted, "No." An arak containing dates was presented to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He said, "Give them to eat on your behalf." He submitted, "To the poorer than we are, there is no poorer family than mine between these two stony plains." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereupon said, "Then give it to your family to eat." Hazrat Amir bin Hakam bin Thawban heard from Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu, vomiting does not nullify fast as something comes out and does not go in. It is also reported from Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu that fast becomes void, but the first view is more authentic. Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu and Ikrimah radiyallahu anhu says, if something enters the body, fast becomes void, but if something comes out, then it does not become void. Hazrat Ibn Umar radiyallahu anhu got himself cubbed while observing fast. Then he gave up this practice and got himself cubbed at night. It is reported that Hazrat Saad, Hazrat Zaid bin Arqam and Hazrat Salama got themselves cubbed while observing fast. Bukhari reported from Alqama, we would get ourselves cubbed before Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha, but she would not forbid us. It is reported with various marfu chains that the fast of the one who cubbs or gets himself cubbed finishes. Yunus reports from Hassan likewise, it was said to him, has it been reported from the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam? He said, yes. Then said, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu knows better. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 1937.